Hey guys, so in today's video we've got the brand new Halo Tint highlighter from Yves Saint Laurent. Yes, new. Yeah, new. I think, right? Like new. It's just new. It is very new. So this is it right here. This is the rose quartz. Now this is the packaging. Standard cardboard. Feels like recycled packaging. There's a recycling emblem on here, which is great. This has a 6-month shelf life. I don't know if you guys can pick this up on the camera, but this is the worst printing job on packaging that I have seen on like a high-end product in an extremely long time. Like the white packaging, super cute, but the black with the white writing, hard to read. Extremely hard to read. So not a huge fan of that. So this is it right here. So this actually reminds me of a cloud paint blush. I kind of actually dig this packaging. I do like it quite a bit. So I'm just going to open that up. Love that it's got a squeeze top. I'm just going to squeeze just a little bit out for you guys. It's very liquidy. Holy smokes, that is stunning. Wow. Okay. First impressions, that is a freaking amazing, gorgeous color. Now, I'm disappointed I didn't pick up the gold as well because, wow. You guys know how we do it here on the channel. First, I'm going to go in and underpaint. I'm going to mix this with my foundation. I really want to see how this glows through a foundation because this is gorgeous. Then I'm going to go in and place this on my cheeks and eyes just like you would a regular liquid highlighter. And you heard me right, eyes. Yes, this is eye safe. So we're just going to test this out in all sorts of different ways. I'm just going to dive right into it. So I'm just going to mix a little bit of this with my foundation. I'm going to take, I don't know, half my face. I'm thinking just a small pea-sized amount. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever. So this is the color 1N06, but I will have everything linked for you guys in the description box. So I'm just going to go in with, I'm thinking like 1.5 pumps. So it's just half my face that I'm doing this way. So I just don't need a lot of product. I just want to mix it in. So I'm just going to take a little kind of paw brush right here and mix this up to apply it to the face. So this has a rose undertone to it, so which is great because that's, you know, actually going to kind of warm me up a little bit considering I run fairly cool, fairly blue. So I'm just going to apply just a little bit of this to my face, remembering that it actually dries down super fast because I'm going to have to blend this out really quickly. So far, I mean, the foundation obviously I know is a really good match. I'm just going to take a foundation brush right now. I'm just going to use this fluffy one from Juvia's Place. I love their brushes. I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, there's no scent to this product whatsoever, which I love. You guys know that. But this is definitely making that HD Skin Foundation glowy. Like, I'm impressed. Wow, like that is, right? Like that's stunning just by itself, and I barely have on any coverage. I'm just going to go in with a little bit more. Actually, I'm going to pick it up with this brush. So I'm just going to pick it up with my foundation brush and just buff that into my skin. I mean, I love the HD Skin Foundation. It's one of my faves. And when picking a foundation to do this video, I was like, which one? Should I use the Say? But that's kind of glowy. I don't know. I love that one. And there's the Lady Gaga, again, a little bit glowy. Love that one too. But this one, I thought, okay, it's pretty matte. Runs really nice. It's beautiful coverage. Let's see what this does with it. I am impressed. Like, this is phenomenal. Naked skin. Right? Right? Like, this is amazing. Alright, so I've gone in and applied the HD Skin Foundation on this side of my face right here. I figured, you know what, you guys didn't need to see that for editing purposes. You guys have seen me apply foundation 1,000,001 times. So this side actually has the YSL Halo Glow Tint mixed in with the foundation. Stunning, like absolutely stunning. This side, regular plain HD Skin Foundation. There's nothing mixed in, so we are going to tap that product onto it right now. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this product on my palette. I don't need terribly much. So I'm just going to take this on my finger right here. We've got just a little bit. I'm just going to tap that off because I don't want to add too much here. So we're just going to tap a little bit of that off. I'm going to go in right here. Normally I would have contour on, bronzer, everything and finish the look, which I will do for you guys, but I just want to see what this looks like. Okay, living for that. That is pretty. It is very subtle though. Like, I'm actually shocked because it was so intense, so I just picked up a little bit more. I'm just going to build that up. Definitely builds up beautifully. Like, that is so pretty. I'm going to go in with my brush and I'm just going to buff out those edges before it dries down completely and tap on just a little bit more in the center. Holy smokes, that is pretty. Like, you guys can see, full face mixed in with the foundation and then just on top as that highlighter pop. This is stunning. So of course it says we can go in and add a little bit to our eyes. I'm going to do that for you guys. I'm applying this to the inner corner of my eye just for a little pop of shimmer, and then I'm going to apply this underneath my brow bone just to give it a little holiday highlight right there. The light's going to catch that when you're out. It's just going to be stunning. Loving this shade. This is the final look, and everything I have on my face I have listed in the description box for you guys, so definitely check that out. But this is it. So this is just tapped on with my finger. We got a little on my eyes, a little under the brow bone. I'm kind of loving this vibe. Like, this is looking good. And then this side, completely hands down difference, right? Like, this is mixed in with the foundation, and I do not have it as a highlight here. This is just mixed in with the foundation. So this, to me, is giving me glowing to the gods. I love this. This is super fabulous. Loving this vibe right here. So if I actually took this, I'm just going to take a little on my finger. I'm going to tap it on just to show you guys. We're really going to make this glow right here. It does make a difference. Like, you guys can see how that just made it like pop even more. Like, this is actually super amazing. I'm loving this YSL product. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the pros. This is actually pretty on point with like the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is $45 Canadian. Not a bad price. Kind of living for it. So this is actually going to last you a super long time because a little bit goes a long way, as you guys can see. Like, I didn't use very much at all and I'm glowing, like super, super glowing. I'm actually curious. How about I take a little bit of this right here and just, you know, give it a little shoulder pop. Right? Like, that's giving me everything. Alright, so I'm actually super loving this product. Let's talk about the cons. The issue I have with this is that it dries down. I mean, I can't blend that out any more than I just did to save my soul. Like, that's on there for the rest of the day, which is fine. It's cute. I love it. But this is an issue for me. I just wish it was a little bit more emollient so I had a little bit more workability with the product. I would really love that, especially for on your lids, because this is lid safe. So you can go in and really play with this amazing rose, you know, color on your lids. You know, do something really monochromatic. Super fun. Loving that vibe. But it's just kind of a downfall that it dries down so fast. If you guys loved this video, don't forget to watch this one right here. This is the Armani blush. I am actually wearing it. Super loving this color, so definitely check that out. Alright guys, if you loved the video, definitely hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!